Okay, I'll fudge through this really quick. So let's make a square, right? Bottom right, poof. Okay, I'm gonna put a point on it just to make it easy. 50%. That's right in the middle of that line right there. I'm going to translate a copy of that point up by 2.5. Reselect. I didn't do it, did I? Yeah, let's try that again. Copy. Click. There we go. Uncopy. 0.5. I'm also going to move this one out a little bit. That's going to give me a quick pick point to deform the end of that. And of course, that can be anything you want it to be, right? Continuous, snap, snap, snap. And now I have a little point there, so I suppose you could um, put a little chamfer on that if you wanted. It looked sharp to me, so the reason I put that point there was just to give me a pick point to draw in 3D. You know, obviously there's different ways to do it, but I'm just going to make an arc. Snap there, snap there, snap there. Nice smooth arc. That would be an arc top. If it needed to be something precise, then you could just use the arc tool and create a big enough arc that's going to do what you'll see me do here, which is um, use it as a create a surface then to use as a cutting object, right? So now let's just say I have that and that was my shape, so I can extrude that curve along the z-axis. Let's just go ahead and extrude it up by an inch. And then now what I want to do is I want to curve the top of that. That's what this curve is for. I'm going to extrude a surface through there and create a solid that's going to allow me to cut the top of that off. So let's get that up at about, so let's say if I made that where this part right here was right at that very corner. Remember how I made it? So now I want, you know, if this wall, this side wall of that cut starts at say, you know, something like 0.675, then let's move that up to that level first. Now I'm going to switch to the UCS. I'm going to go to the side one. And what that does is this is the plane I'm drawing on, but I can also there. So now I'm going to extrude that curve along the z-axis. And I'm going to put in, let's say, -7, right? Then let's see if I gave it enough to go all the way through. Yes, I did. So I just shot that surface all the way through there. Now I'm going to extrude that surface up 1. I got to get my UCS put back along the Z. And so now I have a block big enough that should cover. Normally when you're doing booleans and stuff, you want things to completely punch through. So like it would be much better if this curve punched, you know, came completely out the sides and stuff. But I think as long as it's exacting, it should still work then. So we're going to see now. So there. And so I just cut the top of that off. So now I have that shape with that curved surface. And that's basically, I think, what you did there. You know, you can put a little fillet on the corner if you wanted to or anything, or you know what I mean? So that kind of looks like your shape, and now it's a nice, good NURB surface, and it should be what you were looking for. Talk later.